So we're just enjoying some coffee here this morning, getting ready to go to Jost Van Dyke. Got a nice downwind sail ahead of us, waiting on the workers to show up here at the bitter end so we can check out and get underway. It's going to be a nice day for sailing, and I think, we didn't really video anything coming in here because it was kind of hectic, but maybe we'll try to get a couple shots leaving.
Yeah.
So kind of see what it's like.
I'm Patricia.
And I'm Dave. And in April of 2021, we took delivery of a brand new Jeanneau 440.
Since then, we've been outfitting and upgrading the boat with everything we will need for the cruising lifestyle.
We've been learning to sail here on the Texas coast, so come join us for the adventure.
We were double stacked in the slip, so we needed to wait for our friends to move out in front of us. Once they were underway, it was our turn next.
You got a rover? Yeah, we're good. All right, we're moving forward.
The dock hands at the bitter end were very experienced in what they did. I guess it's from dealing with so many people that are inexperienced driving boats, but they did a great job getting us off the dock. As we get turned around, you can kind of see how big the mooring field is here. We weren't able to film this coming in because the mooring field obscures the dock that we were docking on. And we had to prioritize navigation over the filming.
You're good? Okay. Get this dinky back.
All right, this is breakfast underway. We got a spinach and pepper cheese omelet with some grits and a fruit cup, and a nice lady to enjoy it with.
Okay, so one of the good things about the Jeanneau Rendezvous are the door prizes. So they raffled off every couple's name last night during the group dinner. And this is what we won. It's a extra large H&H dry bag. Look how big this thing is. Dave needs to scoot back to get it all in the view. It's like half of me. So anyways, it came with goodies inside it too. We got 2 Jeanneau towels. Got 2 of these beach towels. And then we also got another Lucy light. So we've got 3 Lucy lights now. Our cockpit is going to be so well lit up when we get back to Kima. We'll be able to find it drunk.
Everybody be jealous.
They'll be jealous. Yeah.
Once we got out into the open, the wind was directly at our back. Our charter boat did not come equipped with a downwind sail, so we changed sail configurations a number of times during the day, which involved Patricia using the manual winch.
I've been totally spoiled on Caboo having a coach-mounted electric winch. At least I was getting my workout in. I had to throw my whole body into trimming the sail.
So it took us a little over 8 hours to sail down to Jost Van Dyke. Not the most exciting sail, but now we need to find the boatie ball that we reserved here in Great Harbor.
Hey, there's something on it. Oh, they need to make these numbers more readable. Half these people don't got good eyesight anyways. That one says 22. That was 22. Where is ours? Can we just trade? I bet ours is way over there. I'm thinking it's way over there. Maybe that one? This is so hard to read. What does that say? 7! 7, babe, 7. This is us. Thank Jesus.
This is only our second attempt at picking up a mooring ball.
A little bit more forward. More forward. More forward. Right in good alignment. More forward. The wind is pushing us a little bit more towards you, towards your side. Come on.
Patricia doesn't give up.
No, baby, I can get it. I can get it. I got it. No. Try to do both when they're up here. Wait a minute, I need to make sure this is around here first.
Once we got the boat secured and cleaned up, it was time to head into Foxy's. There we're going to meet up with our good friends John and Shannon from Charisma. After a few painkillers, we took a walk along the beach.
Wow, this is actually really good.
You get that on the boat.
For those of you who don't know Patricia, she cannot pass up a swing.
I can't pass up a swing. I didn't. Yeah. Oh, that's a mule.
At some point.
There's some chafing on the lines.
Hold on. I'm gonna go up top.
Show them how sketchy it looks up here.
All right. Here's Patricia.
It looks really bad on this side. It's hanging on by a thread.
Yep.
And a few others on there before you.
We ended the night back on Rhythm and Blues for dinner. Join us next time as we sail to Norman Island.